Hello again, everybody. It's me, Mike Celestino from laughingplace.com, and the other day I was showing you off everything that came in that box over there for I Am Your Father's Day from our friends over at Disney Consumer Products, and included with that box was another box, if you'll recall, in that unboxing video, and that second box contained this enormous Fisher-Price Imaginext Darth Vader bot. And I said I was going to do a separate video taking a look at this one because it is so enormous and it looks like there's a lot of fun stuff happening with this one. So let's take a closer look at Vader here. I'm just going to set him on his back. Okay, so it says, I metal, try me up there. There's a little Stormtrooper die-cast figure here. Let's see, there's arrows indicating all the kind of actions that he can do. It says try me on the side, and there's images of the discs and the little ball or whatever that comes with him. Yeah, I see that in here. But let's press this button and see what happens. Okay, so his eyes are glowing. His lightsaber has ignited. That seems to be it when I press the try me button. Okay, let's look at the other side here, just the Star Wars logo, and then we'll take a look at the back side here. And iMetal Stormtrooper character key is what this is called. He's 27 inches tall, or 68 centimeters. Oh, and he's still breathing there on the other side. I hear Vader's breath, light and sound, and different actions that he can do. Includes 4 AA batteries, and we're going to open this up. It's for ages 3 plus. Darth Vader bot from Fisher-Price and Imaginext. I'll get my scissors and we'll start unboxing this guy. Okay, I have removed Vader from his packaging. There were a bunch of little zip ties holding him in there. I also took out all the accessories and the instruction book. I just wanted to show you what the box looked like empty there. But now let's take a look at the toy itself, which, as I have said, is fairly large. There we go, let's get him in frame there. And I'm going to do something that I don't ordinarily do, but I have learned it's smart to look at the instruction manual first. Star Wars, ages 3 and up, Imaginext, Fisher-Price, Darth Vader bot. Let's see. What do we got here? Before you begin, I did also cut the little zip tie that was on the Stormtrooper, and we want to slide the power volume switch to on, and that's on his back. I'm guessing it's on demo mode right now. Okay, I have turned him on. He's breathing again. Turn the power pad counterclockwise for sound and lights. Which one is the power pad? Ah, the power pad. So the Stormtrooper up here stands on the power pad. So if I turn him counterclockwise. Oh. Sounds like he goes into hyperspace. Then it says, if I rotate Darth Vader's upper body for sound and lights. Okay, so this is like he's kind of fighting with the lightsaber there. That's cool. And then we can turn the power pad clockwise to launch 3 disc projectiles from Darth Vader's chest. Fit the discs into the back of the toy to reset. So we have these neon colored I'm guessing they glow in the dark. They are discs with the Imperial insignia on them, if you see them there. So let's turn them around. Oh, I see. There's a little slot here. So I'm just taking the whole stack, and I think I just put them. Yep, I just slide them right in that slot in there. Okay. Oh, you reacted to that. So we're going to turn the Stormtrooper clockwise now. Whoa! Whoa! That's fun. Closes up again. Let's try it again. We should have 3 more in there. Cool. Door closes. That's a good one. All right. Then if we lift the left arm and press the button to launch the ball projectile, press the ball back into the hand as far as possible to reset. So I'll get the ball here, and I'm gonna, okay, got the ball in his hand. So I lift it and press the button. He shoots the ball out. That one's not as exciting, but he does fire the ball. And then to reset, we just put it right back into his arm there. And then we can push the button on his right arm to extend the lightsaber with lights and sounds. Let's see, is that in frame? Let me back him up a little. Press the lightsaber back into reset. Okay, so you got to start with the lightsaber kind of all the way in. It reminds me a little bit of the original Darth Vader action figure that had that telescoping lightsaber, the one from Kenner. But pressing the button extends the lightsaber and activates the lights and sound. Let's try that again. So it's kind of manually reset. And then there you have it. And the last kind of feature it's advertising here is storage. So there, it looks like there's a little compartment where we can keep, thank you Vader, we can keep the Stormtrooper, because he's kind of the key to activate this whole thing. So we can take him off. He's got a little stand. Here's the Stormtrooper, by the way, if you want to see him up close. Back side, and it is a hard die-cast metal, and there's his little foot stand. But let's see if we can find this storage that they're talking about. I think it is here on the back of his ankle. A little panel here. Open that up. Stormtrooper can go in. The discs can go in. Little Stormtrooper stand can go in, and what else is removable? The ball can go in. Keep everything nice and tidy. You don't have to worry about losing that stuff. And those are all of the features of this Darth Vader bot from Fisher-Price and Imaginext. Here's the cover of the instruction manual. I think it's pretty neat for younger kids. This is obviously ages 3 and up. It's not something adults might want to collect. It does look cool if you want to put it on a shelf. It has that chain that you usually see higher above around Vader's neck, and Vader doesn't really have these Imperial insignia there. But otherwise, it is a cool looking Vader bot. It's kind of like a stylized version of Darth. He's got more robotic type arms and legs here than you would see on the real Darth Vader armor in the movies, but it's a cool looking toy if you just wanted to have it on display. But I think the people who are going to get the most out of this, there is a fabric cape, there is the battery compartment back there, and like I said, this is the storage compartment, and this is where you reload the discs. But the people who are going to get the most out of this is definitely going to be young kids, probably ages 3 to 6 or 7 maybe. And another great way to introduce kids to Star Wars, I think. And like I said in the other video, kids are always fascinated by Darth Vader, in particular as a character. So I think this would make a great gift for a young kid just getting into the concept of Star Wars and Darth Vader. So I think that's about it. This is the Star Wars Darth Vader bot from Fisher-Price and Imaginext. Thanks so much for watching. A pretty cool toy for younger kids. My name is Mike Celestino. I work at laughingplace.com. Before this lawnmower gets closer to me, I'm going to wrap this up and say thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you real soon right back here on the Laughing Place YouTube channel. Thanks again. Bye!